Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you where your OBD2 port location is on a 2015 Subaru Outback. Just make sure that you guys have a similar car. Doesn't have to be a 2015, it could be a 2013 or whatever, but just at your driver's side area, guys. Come up underneath here, okay, and just up underneath you will see that there is a OBD port just over there. If you can see that or not, just there. So right there, this is your OBD2 port, okay guys. So you can plug in your scanner over here to check for your diagnostic codes, okay. And yeah, that is where your OBD2 port is located on a 2015 Subaru Outback or similar. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in another video. All right, peace out.